Hi, this 5-minute solution gonna show you how to fix emoji not showing in iPhone keyboard. As you can see right now, I opened my keyboard and here we can see emoji option is not showing in my keyboard. Now let's fix this problem easily. First of all, we have to add emoji in our keyboard. So go to your iPhone settings and tap on General and tap on Keyboard, tap on Keyboards, tap on Add New Keyboard, and here scroll down and you have to search here emoji, or you can use this search box, type emoji, and here you will find the emoji keyboard. Just tap on emoji and the emoji keyboard will be add. Once added, now open any app and just open your keyboard, and now here you will find the emoji option. So this is how we can fix this problem. If this video help you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.